Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Firebase Realtime Database for new records alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. Select your project from the list. Navigate to the Realtime Database section on the left sidebar. Make sure you have initialized your database with some data for testing. Next, open your preferred code editor. Create a new JavaScript file for your project. Import the Firebase library at the top of your file. Initialize Firebase with your project's configuration settings. Authenticate your users if necessary. You can use Firebase authentication for user login if required. Once authenticated, retrieve a reference to your database. Set this reference to the specific path you want to monitor for new records. Use the onChildAdded method to set up a listener for new entries in your database. Inside the onChildAdded callback function, you will handle the new record. You can log this new record to the console or update your UI accordingly. Make sure to handle errors in the callback function to ensure your application runs smoothly. Test your implementation by adding a new record to your Firebase database. Observe the console or UI to confirm that you receive alerts for the new records. Remember to implement any necessary cleanup when the component is unmounted. This ensures that your listeners do not continue to run unnecessarily. Congratulations, you've set up alerts for new records in Firebase Realtime Database. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.